Kelly's Resale Shop, Car Show, and Trunk or Treat. We live. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Hey, Imagine. Hey, this is cool.
There's a minimum of 50 auction going on. We still have the raffle 50/50 going on. We've got plenty of food happening everywhere. Out front here, beside me. He's going around judging right now, so hope everybody's having a good time. We'll get the candy, trick or treat around here, and we'll keep the music going.
Look at this one. Nice on the road part here. Trying to cause for the music, yeah. These mad high rise. Hey, look at this guy right here, though. I thought that was a real guy at first. Kids showed me that. I was like, what in the world is going on here? Stupid funny.
That's too old. I don't remember all the breaks.
This is nasty. Real wood.
I think it's awesome. Well, and it is.
Hey, quit that in handbag.
That's a dope idea right there. I already car collected my Hot Wheels for next year. Anybody want to donate me Hot Wheels to give our kids next year, let me know. Hit me up. Appreciate everybody. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and share button for me. Real nice time out here again. The Kellys. I think this was my second time out here or third. I don't know, but in previous videos, y'all had like candy for the kiddos. There's official pace car. It's beautiful, beautiful. Still original. That's nice. It's nice. Nice wagon there. Coyote swapped. 54. nice 3T350. America. Nice Bel Air. Love the color. This truck here. America's most advanced automotive. This is nice right here. Love that hood. Lots of this nice. The original gas is here. Great bracket racing cars right here. This is like original. Like over original. The door panels, look at the inside back. Original. Three-door Suburban. Man, that is clean. My mom likes one of them now. I don't do the peanuts. This is clean right here. Look like a real comfortable ride too. Carpet. That looks real nice there. Oh yeah, this is in pristine condition here. Got the remote and everything. It's real nice. Look at this bad boy. Sheesh. That is definitely so rare. Mopar, no car. Man, that is nasty. That is nasty. That's nasty right there. Fairway Automotive, they did some work. Shout out to them on the Mustang. They specialize in older vehicles and restoration. This thing here is nasty though. Steering wheel that's nice. Owners. Sausage Pizza. Had them. Real great place to eat. Shout out to them. Get that calzone, boy. Took me 2 days to eat that. This is nasty. Sheesh.
Well, they did a good job, didn't they? Underpowered. I tell people, if it goes 60 miles an hour downhill with a wind behind you. Because people, when they bought this, they thought, well, it's going to be a faster car. I mean, not that it's going to be a race car.
Copperhead. If you need to touch stainless steel, go to an appliance store. That rear engine car. Back to the Future. Y'all wanna go? Oh, sorry, kids. I gotta get that pink Starburst off. Boy, them was hit. Sorry. I left more for them, man. Don't worry. Christine, baby, pure evil. That's just fun right there. Look at Christine on the back. That's tough. Alright, over her. Make sure you hit the like button for me. Appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Make comments y'all favorite car y'all have seen so far. So many nice ones out here. Every F-150. 61 Ventura. Beautiful interior with the straw hat. Home is nasty. This bad boy is clean. How you doing? This is pristine condition. Sheesh. I had one of these at my grandma's house when I was little. I always wanted one. Whew, it's nasty. It's nasty. Very bad. Nice Camaro SS right there. Put the SS on the turntable. It's nasty. I need one of these for the Hellcat. Nice fit there. Nice color on that. We got the Bronco. Original. Oh yeah, Thanksgiving coming up. Give thanks.
There's about 15 Falcons in that class, and I got second place.
That is one sharp rig.
Yes, it is. Oh, hey, how you doing?
I'm recognizing
Yes,
we got
ma'am.
this one today.
Oh, you got the other one? All right, I'm headed over there.
This is cool. I had
This
to take
is.
a picture of that and send it to my grandson.
Man, that's beautiful.
You know what? That's actually gold metallic.
Yeah, yep.
I like.
That's beautiful.
I like it better than the new Bronco.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
Oh, even the gold wheels. I mean, it's sharp.
Yes, it is. How you guys been?
We're doing pretty good. How about
Good. Can't complain.
you? Gotta enjoy this weather while we can.
Got to. Yeah, last time it was a little chilly when we was on here.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it was.
You
I
was
got
like-
blown away.
Yeah, I know. That's funny.
Yeah.
That's
it was
beautiful.
Fun, but it was you had to bun on.
Right. That's beautiful. The
Yeah, we
Celine's
bought
out
this one
today. Y'all always got a different one every time I come out.
Well, this one's an 05. I can't wait till it gets historic and I can put tags on it and forget it.
Right.
This is ridiculous going every 2 years.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, this one and my 13's my favorites. I like the body style.
D2. Yep.
You know what?
Oh yeah, we
Yeah.
talked about that. Yeah.
Yeah, and
The old one.
we saw a dark horse. We took this one, which is where we bought it from. When we took it up and showed the salesman what we'd done to it. And they had the dark horse. They just got it in. Yeah, that back end.
Yep.
It really is a turn off.
I know.
Yeah. Other than that, it was okay.
It
And
was.
It did sound good, but
How much were they asking for it?
66 155. Wasn't as bad as I thought.
The Dark Horse?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, y'all get them at MSRP though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it was.
I'm about to say I'd have seen something go up over 100.
See, well, you know what? I wonder it's because they're probably just now coming out.
Right.
You think?
But if he told you 66, sheesh, that's a deal.
That it's.
That's a deal.
When you think about some of these others.
Yeah, because the
they're
GT
bad.
was like 62.
Oh yeah. And
If
that
he said
Super Snake-
66, yeah.
Where did I have?
Wow.
that?
Man, this is nice.
Here it is. Oh, I'm sorry, I quickly. Oh, it's right
Yep,
there on the
that's it.
showroom floor.
Oh, if he said 66, you gotta go back and get that.
But, well, yeah, it's 66. Where's it at there? 66 155, I think.
That's
But-
crazy.
And it's all cool until that.
That back
I
end.
don't like them lights.
Yeah.
That kind of did it in for me.
Right.
Other than that, yeah, it's pretty cool.
Wow, I can't believe he said, man.
I know. I was stunned. I
Yeah.
honestly thought it would be more.
Oh, it is.
Yeah.
If he told you that, you gotta get it at that. That's MSRP.
We're out of room.
You build somewhere else, something. 66, exactly.
I gotta go get on that the dog baskets. Before
Okay, good seeing you. Ain't about enough cars. I already know they get them MSRP. That's why I said if he told them 66,000, you gotta go get that bad boy ASAP. That's going for over 100 in most places. It's a nice trailer. That's a lot of people be asking and wondering about this. That's to keep the rocks from hitting the car. 1966 Fury. That's nice. Those Furies are nice. Oh, the yellow. Barracuda. Y'all already know. Give you one of these bad boys, I'll be good too. Never gonna go wrong with a Charger. Say what's up to the Brody. What's up, Brody? Yep, he said what's up. That's nice. Charger. Start 2, the Z28. Never can go wrong with a Z28. Original Bumblebee Transformers. This is nice though. This color is beautiful. So we in High Ridge, Missouri at Kelly's Resale Shop. This is the Christine Car Show. The 2nd annual Christine Car Show. We might have to come to one of these, y'all. I'm motivated. I'm even more motivated. Shout out to ET Tuning, Dave Z, man. Y'all, I got some good people behind me now. We not stopping. All gas, no brakes. We let the parachute slow us down. Let's get it. Nice.
50-50. The drawings for that over there will be
Great turnout.
2 o'clock. So we have about 40 minutes or so before they start drawing for that stuff over there now. So
I didn't get this bad boy.
that'll wrap up, and then we're on schedule, I guess, around 2:30 to 3 o'clock will be awards. So in the meantime, eat up, have fun. A lot of stuff going on.
My favorite Rodriguez car. About to walk in this resale shop, look around, y'all, and I'm gonna head on out. We didn't get the Harley. We didn't get the Harley. We gotta show love to the bike. Come on now. I always gotta show love to the bikes. Yeah, I ride too. It's been a minute, but I ride too. Never know. Might want to see me racing bikes one day. And cars. We'll see. I don't know how I missed this, y'all. We had to come back and say what's up to my man. You fix it yet, bro? He's still working on it. Yeah, these are all like collectors. They're actually pretty cool. You don't see them in stores no more.
You could do this to Daisy.
I'm asking you because I'll eat one. I know, but there's a
St. Louis Blues. Oh, these Hot Wheels. I like that one there. It's really tight. Kelly's Resale Shop. Could get y'all some classics. Is that a yours? People collect these.
This is so pretty.
A lot of stuff here. I know I showed this place in one of my videos, but Kelly's Resale Shop in High Ridge, Missouri, man. Y'all come get y'all some great stuff. That little Rascals picture. Heck no. That's dope. Alright, y'all, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Share me. Turn me up. Let's get it. Prime out.